You don't need art skills, just basic materials and a few quiet minutes.
Hi and welcome. So today we are drawing Turtle Mandala in Madhubani style. In Madhubani art, turtle represents patience, stability and quiet strength. So draw with me or simply watch and relax. Let's begin with drawing the outer border. Use your whole scale for reference. Leave good space for the border so that we can fill it up with bigger patterns this time. Then draw another rectangle on the inside. Then just divide the border. Just mark the center for the borders. Once you have got the point, just join it to the corners. We need to create small triangles along the border. Repeat the same thing on the opposite side and do the exact same thing for the other two sides also. Just mark equidistant points. I'm dividing my border space into 3 parts. You can divide it into 4 or you can divide it into 2. Just add inner linings to them. Inside each triangle, we are going to draw beautiful lotus, drawing the triangles on all the 4 sides of the sheet. Lotus in Madhubani represents purity and growth. So begin with adding the center petal first, then layering it up with petals on the left and the right hand side. Just expand the lotus. Also add inner lining to each petal. Then alternating them with simple patterns. I'm leaving the center petal empty and the first petals I'm filling it up with lines and petals. Doing this alternatively. Below each lotus we have space. So we are going to add semicircles, lines and petals just to fill up the space with beautiful combination of patterns. Do the exact same thing on all of the triangles. Repetition here is very calming. The designing inside of the petals and the lotus repetition itself is very calming. Let your hand move gently and wherever you find the triangles, just add the lotus and the remaining space fill it up with the flower Madhubani patterns. Do this on all the 4 sides. Darken up the extra space on top of the petal. So this is how your artwork is going to look after the whole border designing. We'll draw a rough turtle's body, the smooth rounded shape. Use your pencil. Add 4 limbs. Lower limbs, I'm making them curved. Upper limbs, half or inside the border. So just draw a portion of it. Then we'll add the head. Once you feel the structure is right, just darken up whole of the turtle with your ink. Keep the expression soft and peaceful. Inside the shell, we'll add inner outer line. This gives us space for the Madhubani patterns. Then we'll start from the base, add small semicircles, add flower petals, then section out, add lines. You have full freedom to choose whatever pattern you want, whatever combination of the patterns you want. Work slowly, section by section. On the top, I'm going to add a small lotus. This becomes the focal point of the turtle's back. Beautiful detailing. Add inner linings. Fill up the extra space. On the head, we'll first start with the inner lining, then add a tiny flower with semicircles and petals on top. Because I have space left, I'm going to add another small lotus, 3-petaled. We'll start with coloring the border lotuses with pink and red. I've used pink on the inside and red for the detailings inside of the pink. Pink adds softness and red brings gentle vibrancy. A beautiful combination. Color out the other Madhubani patterns also with the same combination. We have black, white for the patterns already, and for the space remaining, pink and red will form beautiful combination. So color up whole of the border. The lotus inside the turtle is colored with green and orange. I'm coloring up the green completely and orange with the lines. The head also with the orange, and the limbs will be green once again, all 4 of them. Green gives natural calm, while the orange adds warm energy. This is another beautiful combination which you can use. Use them alternatively. So this is how the artwork is going to look in the end. Finally, add blue to complete the design in the background. Blue adds quite depth and cooling balance to the artwork. Now it's time for the Mandala Trataka or mandala gazing. So just pause and softly look at the finished artwork. In Madhubani, the turtle reminds us to move slowly but steadily in our daily life. Let your eyes travel gently across the patterns. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out slowly. And stay here for a moment. If this feels calming, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye.